ano, parang a common person.
Pinaka-benefit.
Business a common person, di ba? Tinanong mo ko talaga eh, anong epekto nito bilang estudyante? For example, sa isang company, ano ba niya yung implication ng full integration? No? Anong ibig sabihin nito? If we're going to trade with our ASEAN partners, how will it matter ba? Of course, I'm assuming that sa mga rice trading, sa agricultural products, this will do good. No? Sa rubber industry, yes. Pero in all other industries, ano ba talaga yung magiging epekto natin dito sa atin? Who are ang major trading partners ng Pilipinas, sino ba? If ano bang estudyante kayo ng Polsai? Sino major trading partners natin as of now? Ng Pilipinas? US, China, some European countries, of course. We also have some trades happening with Australia. Now, products coming in the Philippines, diba sabi ko, pag major from ASEAN states, well, these are agricultural products. Pero medyo ang laki pa rin ng bulto, ay galing pa rin ng China, no? Ng mga agricultural livestock, poultry, China pa rin ang galing, or the US, or Australia. So, ano yung implication ba nito? Again, let's going back. It's like posing a question to your question. Ano nga ba talaga yung silbi nito sa Pilipinas, no? Trading. Now, meron ding provisions doon sa full integration, di ba? In trading with other countries outside of the ASEAN. Yung ASEAN plus 3, ASEAN plus 10, di ba? So, we have ASEAN plus 10, kasama dyan yung New Zealand, some other, di ba? Pacific Island states, India, and then ASEAN plus 3, it's China, South Korea, and then, sino kayo isa? Taiwan? No. China, no, South Korea, Japan.
Japan.
So, may silbihan. So, it's the ASEAN bloc dealing, ideally, as a group, with one voice, say, not really just one concern, pero concerns that are decided upon as a group when we're dealing with countries outside of the ASEAN. Pero at the end of the day, this does not really stop us from having bilateral agreements on our own without consultations with any ASEAN states, with any of these countries too, in the issues of procurement of arms. We really do not need to get the yes or no of say Indonesia or Malaysia or procuring arms from Australia, the US, or even China. No? May say ba yung ASEAN? Right now we have the Arms Trade Treaty na kung saan sana yung United Nations will be able to help out with this. Pero as a region, right now while we don't have the Arms Trade Treaty in effect pa, sa procurement ng arms, sa pag-trade ng arms, sa pagbebenta rin ng Pilipinas, kung may balak ang Pilipinas sa ammunitions. Ano yung silbi ba ng ASEAN? No? Saan pumapasok ang ASEAN at saan din siya hindi kasali? So you have to review all of these things. And again, going back, how is the integration going to help the economy of the Philippines? In the ideal sense, sana meron, no? Merong malaki. Pero as again, bilang isang pag-critique, even the way ASEAN has been working for the past, ilang taon ng ASEAN? Kailangan binuo ng ASEAN?
60s.
67
po.
Tapos, pumasok ang ibang mga bansa 90s, di ba? Naging 10 tayo 90s ngayon, nagpalabas na ng filler ang Timor-Leste na they want to be part of the ASEAN. So, 67?
Yes,
67? So, ilang years na? 40?
40 plus.
40 plus years.
46.
How has the ASEAN figured in our political growth? In those years, almost every country was having their own shits, like, Indonesia, Malaysia, Vietnam was in a deeper shit than we are. Cambodia, wow, iba, Pol Pot. Ano yun, I mean, di pa sila part ng ASEAN nun, pero as a regional bloc, we could have influenced some of these things. No, we could have helped, no? Pero wala. Sige, after yan, sabihin na natin, talo na tayo sa 80s, and so many upheavals here and there, ano ba yung naging silbi ng ASEAN? No? Yung nag-crash yung market, no? Yung Asian market. When was that? During the time of Gloria Macapagal Arroyo. I mean, hindi natin masyadong naramdaman. May buffer yung Philippines. May silbi ba yung ASEAN? Pero almost every country, Singapore was deeply affected, Malaysia was deeply affected, Thailand was deeply affected, but they were able to jump back naman, ano. Pero again, asan yung ASEAN doon sa time na yun, no? Where again, going back, nakapag-produce ba ng, nakapag-mitigate ba, nakatulong ba sa pag-mitigate ng crash, yung being part of the ASEAN, yung policies ba natin, economic trade natin during that time, was it really were those policies that were brought about by the ASEAN able to help our economy when everything was falling down? May direct effect ba yan? So again, in the coming future, you have to again see saan nga ba pumapasok yung ASEAN, saan siya nakakatulong. So again, parang nagkritik lang ako kasi yun, ano? Kailan naintindihan ba kayo?
Opo, okay na po.
Yan di ba yung tinutunan ng teacher? Sabi ng teacher, niloloko lang kayo.
Hindi.
And then, of course, when we're talking about this, of course, you want, if you're going to ask me, I really want it to work. I really want ASEAN to be a powerhouse. Not necessarily to be in front and center when it comes to development. Pero I think